Now in the previous lecture, we have learned how can we delete a node from binary tree in case of array implementation. Now in this lecture, we will talk about how can we delete entire binary tree. Now as you remember, in case of linked list implementation, we were just updating the root node to null. And deleting the links between root node to the children makes children available for garbage collection, so the garbage collector comes and deletes these nodes from the memory. Now in case of array implementation, this is not the case. So here, all we have to do, we have to set the array to null. Now when we set the array to null, it's going to delete all nodes from the memory. Now with this, we have successfully deleted binary tree from the memory. Now based on this logic, let's head over to Java and create delete entire binary tree method over there. Now here, inside binary tree class, we are going to implement delete binary tree method over here. So I'm going to name it delete binary tree. So it's going to be public void delete binary tree. So it's obvious that it's not going to take any parameter. Then inside this method, I'm going to put all code inside try and catch block. So it's going to be like this, try, let me just put catch. So here I'm going to put an exception. So in case if we don't have our array over here, it's going to raise exception. So here, as we said before, the only thing that we are going to do, we are going to set the array that we created over here, in this case is the string type of array, to null. So with this we have successfully deleted all elements from the memory. Now after deletion, I'm going to print out to the console saying that the tree has been successfully deleted. The binary tree has been successfully deleted. Now then inside catch block, I'm going to put our exception, so it's going to be like this. So here inside this block, I'm going to print out saying that there was an error deleting the tree. Now with this, we have completed our method over here. Now let's see how this is working in practice. So this method is very simple. We are just setting the array to null. So in this case, I'm just going to call delete bt method. So it's not taking any parameter. So if I run our method, you'll see that it says that the binary tree has been successfully deleted. So our method works the way that we want. Now let's see what's the time and space complexity for this method. So as always, we are going to start from the first line. So in the first line, we have try and catch block. So this will take a one-time complexity. Then we are setting ARR to null. So this will take also a one-time complexity because this is a simple assignment statement. Then in the print statement, we are printing out to the console a message like this. So this one also will take a one-time complexity. Then inside the catch block, we have another message over here. So this part of code also will take a one-time complexity. Now if we combine all these complexities over here, we get a one-time complexity. Now the space complexity is also O1 because in this case an extra space is not required to perform this operation over here. So that's why the space complexity is O1. Now with this we have come to the end of this lecture, so hopefully everything is clear about deletion of binary tree from the memory in case of array implementation. So see you in the next lecture.